Good morning, everybody, and YouTubers and all those people out there in the virtual world. Day 39 of the bus build, so I guess we got a big punch list of things to do. It's Saturday, I slept in a little bit, I'm just drinking my coffee. I'm still kind of trying to wake up. Robert got up and started staining these panels, but unfortunately I don't think we're feeling the color of the stain. That's coat 2, so we're gonna go for another coat and see, otherwise we might switch to a darker stain, unfortunately. Anyways, here we go. So, little technical plumbing thing that I'm working through here. We're gonna need a drain as well from our little tiny sink, but we can't tap into the shower drain because there's a hatch in the floor. So I'm gonna use PEX tubing system, and that will be our drain. Not ideal, but it's not a big drain. It's just for brushing our teeth and washing our hands, so you're not putting stuff down it. And that's gonna tap in underneath the bus via this here. Okay, I got the drain pipe drilled and it's going down into the floor there. And now I gotta line up all the piping underneath and dry fit everything. Hey, back under the bus again. Pretty excited about that. But what I'm trying to do is make a hole here because I've got to run a pipe through so that it can come towards the camera here and back towards the gray water tank, and you can see the drain holes there in that tube that I just put down. So it all has to go there and come through here. So tight space, good times. All right, I got this plumbing finally glued and installed, and it was brutal, but here it is. So you can see this is the drain coming out the shower. It bends there, it goes through here. This is going to be the 1-inch PEX tubing drain from the sink, the little sink we'll have. I had to get this friggin' hole here cut out, so that was brutal. And then that goes all the way down there, and you can see it goes into our P-trap, and then this here is where the water is going to drain out from the sink, which will come in from over there. So it's glued and in and brutal, oh my god. So while I was under the bus, maybe swearing, maybe just one swear word, I think that was it. Mom and Robert were doing this. They are painting black panels that Robert was measuring and carefully cutting out, because if you look at the bus, you can actually see all the wooden trim through the windows and it's ugly. So it's just one of those little details, but we want to hide it all with black paneling from the inside. Okay, the bathroom drainage is done. That goes into the same line as there with the PEX elbows. And yeah, we can just tap that into the sink drain once we get that done. Next up, kitchen drainage that will tap in the front of the gray water tank underneath. And the shower pan is now secured, so it's in place, that's it. Okay, just making the holes for the kitchen plumbing. So this is going down under the bus, and then I have to feed it this way and tap it into that other line. So this is roughly where the sink's gonna go. But if I have to do a few bends and stuff here, it's gonna be a lot easier than under the bus. So, I'm using this word a lot today, totally brutal, but you can see the trap here going into the gray water. That line goes all the way to the bathroom drainage. And this now goes through there, over there, and then up into there and up through the floor in the kitchen. So I successfully have installed the bloody drainage system. All I have to do is the plug and vent on the other side of this tank here, and voila. So yeah, there it is coming up, and I can tap this into the sink wherever the sink's gonna go, kind of like up here somewhere. That's it for drainage for the day. I'm friggin' done crawling around under this bus. Pretty successful, I guess. So just running the hose through here so I can check under to make sure that it's actually draining where it's supposed to. So it's coming out there, which is where it's supposed to be coming. And I'm not seeing any drips along here.
So that's good. No dripping there.
Just testing the shower pan. So far so good. There's a bit of water over there, but I think that's because I sprayed. So I'm gonna go under the bus again and check this. All right, water is still draining out there. I'm still not seeing any drips here, but I'm gonna crawl under. Okay, this is dry. There's no water there. The pipe runs all the way this way, through there, through the tank. And I'm not getting wet. It would be dripping on me if it was leaking. So, friggin' successful install.
My face is trashed, and my hands, my arms, you can't see it on film though. I am freaking dirty.